Hey everyone, welcome to Code app. I see your comment every day. Mechanical engineers, finance pros, people from oil and gas, all asking the same thing. Can I really make it into data science? You are watching these day in live videos and seeing those 25 LPA salary packages. But then you look at your own degree and feel like there is a massive wall in front of you. Today, we are going to tear down that wall. I am giving you a step by step roadmap to bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. The first thing that stops you is the fear. I am weak in math, or I have never written a line of code. Look, you don't need to be a Ramanujan. You need to be a problem solver first. If you can understand basic logic, you can learn Python. But do not start by paying for it. Go through my Python My Way series first. If you can't survive 30 days of free learning, you won't survive a 3.5 lakh bootcamp. This is your sanity check phase. Once you realize coding is just a tool, not a monster, you are ready for the next steps. Now, once you have your basics of Python down, you will start to worry. Why would a tech company hire a mechanical guy over a CS grad? Here is the secret: domain knowledge. A CS grad knows the code, but you know the industry. If you are from a finance background, you understand the data better than someone who just learned it from a textbook. Your goal isn't to hide your past, it is to use it. You are not starting from zero. You are adding a powerful tech layer to your existing experience. That is how you win in the interviews. Once you have the mindset and the strategy, you hit the biggest question: should I join Scalar or Cryo? This is where the money gets real. A lot of you ask about placement support. Let's be unfiltered here. Placement is just an intro. If your portfolio is empty and your mock aren't cleared, no certification will save you. If you have done step 1 and 2 and you still feel you need a structured roadmap and mentorship, then the investment makes sense. But if you are joining just because you are scared of self study, then this is gonna be a very expensive mistake. So, here is the connected path. Start with the free Python basics, identify how your current industry uses data, and only then look at high cost bootcamps. Do not let the FOMO or these ads rush you. If you have a specific background like commerce or a QA and want to know your chances, drop a comment below. I am answering as many as I can to keep this real. Link to my Python series and discount forms are in the description. Let's make this switch right way, and do not forget to subscribe this channel so we can meet again. Bye bye.